In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a WhatsApp business account without the use of a phone number. So creating a WhatsApp business account without a phone number can be a little bit tricky, but there are a few workarounds that we could do. And a really good option is to use a virtual phone number. So virtual phone numbers are online numbers that are not tied to a physical SIM card. This is ideal for maintaining privacy or separating business and personal communications. And what you need to do is you need to pick a virtual number provider. Now there's many other great reputable sources out there, including Google Voice, TextNow, Hushed, etc. So the one that I recommend that you guys use is actually Google Voice. So go ahead and open up any web browser, then just look up Google Voice just like so, and then go ahead and press on it. Now it is completely free, and the way it works is that you enter in your phone number. So you will need a phone number in order to do that, but then it's going to generate you a virtual phone number, which you can then use in order to make your WhatsApp business account. So it is completely free, and that is certainly a great option that you guys have. Then after you get your virtual phone number, you will need to go ahead and just enter it in here, and then it is going to send you the code, and you will need to check Google Voice or whatever other virtual phone number service you're using, and you should see the message over there, and then you should be good to go. Now I'm going to give you some tips for virtual numbers in general. So you always want to test the number first, as WhatsApp may reject some virtual numbers. So again, I like using Google Voice because that actually does work, and you want to try to avoid free services for long-term use, as numbers may be recycled, risking account suspension. And if for whatever reason you guys can't get a virtual number, what you could do is to buy a new SIM card entirely. So if virtual numbers aren't viable, purchasing a new SIM card dedicated to your WhatsApp business account is actually something that you could do. So you will need to go ahead and get a prepaid SIM card or a secondary phone number from your carrier, then insert the SIM card into your device, and then whenever you try to log into WhatsApp, use that number to verify it, and then you should be good to go. So this method does require a physical SIM card, but it avoids using your personal phone number. So if you don't have a phone, if you don't want to use your personal phone number for whatever reason, that is completely fine. And especially if you're using WhatsApp Business in order to run a business and stuff like that, I certainly do think it is worth the expense. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.